Say hi, Renee.
Hi, welcome to Get Body. This is a place not only to have your nails done, but it's a place to relax and have fun with friends. Yes, actually we also have waxing services. We use warm wax that's Lendula for the brand. Also, we have eyelash extensions and also nail art services for those who want to spruce up their nails more.
So here's my friend Jessica, okay with me to avail the service of Get Polished. So Jessica, what can you say so far? She's not at Banda. What can you say so far?
So far, the service here is really well. I was really pampered, and look at my nails. They're so nice. And the thing I like most here is the moisture moisture medicine. It is really unique because they use
Electric Beauty.
yeah, the electric beauty, which is really, really unique. It's warm and it's very comfortable. And afterwards, I really thought that this is not my speed because it's so smooth. And I really think that I'm going to go back here, especially during the summer.
Okay, so next time, don't forget to go visit Get Polished here at Timog, Loyola, or Katipunan, and Diaz, in Parañaque. So, lots of choices. Don't forget to try and visit it. Okay, bye.